first drilling site that we're going to be reading about is the Petrified Forest National Park in Arizona, USA. Okay, let's read the directions. We're going to read the image to the left, then fill in the cross section below using the marker tool and the double T tool to type out the meaning of each color in the key. So let's read. A team working on Colorado Plateau Coring Project drilled over 500 meters into the surface of the Arizona desert. The core sample the team took revealed that underneath a very thin layer of dust and sand, the land is made of solid rock. The first 17 meters of hard solid rock was formed during volcanic eruptions. The next 483 meters was also hard solid rock formed when sediments were cemented and compacted together at different times in geologic history. So let's pay attention to the drilling cross section. We can see that there's brown, there's this deep layer of brown, and this thin layer of black or grayish color. Okay, so it says that the grayish color on the very top surface is hard solid rock formed during volcanic eruptions. And down below, the deeper part is hard solid rock formed from sediments. Okay, let's try to remember that. And then click on this cursor, and we are going to color our cross section to represent what we just read. So we don't have black. So what we need to do, or we don't have gray, so we're going to use black. So this top portion is, and let me represent it down here too. We learned that it was hard solid rock formed from volcanic eruptions. And then down below was an orange color, and it represented hard solid rock. And let me color it as best as I can. And let's press on the double T tool to now type out. And let me make it a little bit bigger. Okay. Okay, so the two layers were hard solid rock formed from volcanic eruptions. Okay, so that was one. And then another one, so let's click on double T tool again. Hard solid rock formed from sediments. Okay, all you have to do now is, oops. All I have to do now is move this over. So the sediments was the orange, and the grayish black was from volcanic eruptions. Okay, lock it up and then move on to the next. So you have 3 more to do. You are going to be reading about Mauna Loa Volcano, Hawaii, USA, Guadalupe Island, Mexico, and Ross Ice Shelf, Antarctica. Okay, as you're doing these, pay attention. What do all these cross sections have in common? Okay, because this is going to be the question that you answer right after this activity. Again, your question that you need to focus on is, what do all these cross sections have in common? And after that, you are done.